Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I have a requested video which is to demonstrate Super Cruise on the GMC vehicles that are properly equipped. So let's do that. Everything will be controlled right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Very easy to deal with. Now, if you happen to get a message that tells you that you need to turn Super Cruise on or go to adaptive cruise control is what it would tell you. The button right here is what you need to hold down. It's going to give you a message on your dashboard to let you know that Super Cruise is available, and all you have to do is push the button right down here on the bottom right-hand side of the steering wheel of this side on the left-hand side, which is what I'm going to do, and now Super Cruise is enabled. And I'm going to drop the speed just a little bit. But here's the cool thing about it. You notice that the truck is driving itself as long as it's in the green right here with the indicator on the steering wheel. There are a few things to note here. The truck will drive itself. If it needs to slow down because it can't change lanes at some point, someone's next to you and there's a vehicle in front of you that's driving slower than you have set Super Cruise, then the truck will automatically slow down a little bit until it's safe to change lanes. And it actually is a better driver than some people I drive around, because it will actually turn on the blinker. It will let you know, you'll feel the seat vibrate on the appropriate side, which in this case would be on the left for me if I was going to change lanes. And the truck will go ahead and change lanes. We'll go on past whatever it needs to pass, and when it's safe to get back over, it will. The one thing about that, for me personally, I've done this before where I passed an 18-wheeler. It was in the right-hand lane, and I passed in the left-hand lane. And for me personally, when I'm driving, I move over a little further to the left than Super Cruise does. It was kind of disconcerting in a way, but that's ultimately how you use Super Cruise. And if you want to disengage, it's just as simple as just touching the brake. You're going to get a vibrating indicator with your seat that's going to let you know that it's going off. You'll also see that red indicator here on the steering wheel, and then Super Cruise is turned off. And that's how easy it is to deal with. And you can set it to any speed you want to. I don't suggest setting it ridiculously above the speed limit. Obviously, you don't want to be run over. Depends on where you're driving. Sometimes you have to drive above the speed limit to avoid being run over or being road raged on because you're driving under the speed limit. But there is the demonstration. It's really that simple. And one more thing before I end the video that I did want to touch on is the fact that up until 2023 on these trucks, if you wanted to have Super Cruise, you could not have the heated steering wheel on these trucks. And so that has changed because the heated steering wheel was right here. Now the button has been moved right down here. I don't know if you can see that in the shot that I'm giving you, probably not, but it's down here in the area where the air conditioning controls are located. So if you were curious about that, there you go. If you have a particular tutorial you would like to see me demonstrate here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, please let me know, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. Have a great day.